Hello, this video is about the historical site in the world. Come, let's go to Tabasco. That Tabasco is Eden. This phrase is recognized in the state of Tabasco. La Venta. The Fair Museum La Venta is an open-air museum located in the city Villahermosa in the state of Tabasco, of the great historical Reich of the Mexico. It is the entrance of the museum. It's incredible. In this place, one of the large collection of spears belonging to Olmec culture is treasured. This culture Olmec is the mother of diverse cultures. This park represents an historical piece of the Mexican, of the culture of country and especially of the state of Tabasco. The objective of this park is to conserve, safeguard, exhibit and protect the diverse plants, animals, and archaeology, this culture Olmec. It is a combination of archaeology and nature. Okay, this park is the only one on the country that is outdoor at these treasures. The visit to the museum begins an introduction room in which the archaeologism of La Venta is located through figures and models within the museum's contents. Afterward, you pass the younger part, which has been reproducing in the space, where the sculpture are scattered among the vegetation and layered leather. It's incredible. The park organized with store children's painting workshops, conference, book presentation. It has a multi-purpose room, interactive kiosk, craft store, and coffee shop, as well as having a modern stand and light show that is present dance and the night. In conclusion, this place contains a lovely story of the ancient Olmec culture. Science represents one of the oldest that populated and flourished the American continent, and this can be seen reflected in the great historical piece. In my final opinion, this park contains a lot of historical sculptures which are known to the public so that they can realize that each space in our country really contains a lot of story and above and invaluable architecture. Thank you.